DJI is ready to strengthen its control in the drone market with the new Mavic Air. Announced today at an event in New York City, the $799 Mavic Air slots are among the company's cheapest drone, the $499 Spark, and its most capable model of the Mavic Pro, $999 sale on January 28. The Mavic Air is really a mixture of those two drones. From certain angles, especially from the top, it resembles a more robust Mavic Pro, while from others the front looks horrible like the Spark. Like the Mavic Pro, the drone is folded for better portability. But it folds into a smaller footprint than the Spark, and is 41% lighter than the Pro. The specifications of Mavic Air are much more similar to those of the Pro, which should please consumers who thought that Spark had too little power to film or photograph. Somehow, it almost sounds better. The Mavic Air uses a 1/2.3-inch sensor that records 4K video at 24 or 30 frames per second, or 12-megapixel still images, all with a wide-angle 24mm f2.8 lens. It reaches 42.5 miles per hour, can withstand winds of up to 22 miles per hour, and has a range of 2.5 miles within the line of sight thanks to a new antenna design. The Mavic Air also has a redesigned ventilation system that DJI says will help prevent overheating, a new 3-axis cardan housing for the camera for smooth footage. It should also be relatively easy and safe to fly, with a 7-camera obstacle avoidance system. There is also a new remote control with an integrated display,